Long ago, in the town of Hamelin, people faced a terrible problem. Rats. Everywhere. They filled the streets, houses, and even the food baskets. No one could stop them. Not even the cats. The chief of the town called a meeting. He announced, "Whoever saves us from these rats will get 10 sacks of gold." Days passed. Then, one morning, a strange man arrived. He carried a long pipe. "I can rid your town of rats," he told the chief. The chief agreed. The man lifted his pipe and began to play. The tune was strange, but magical. One by one, rats came running out. From houses. From shops. From every corner of the streets. They followed the piper, step by step. He led them through the town. He walked to the river. And there, the rats plunged into the water and drowned. Hamelin was free. The piper returned for his reward. But the chief became greedy. He broke his promise. "No gold for you," he said. The piper's eyes grew dark. He raised his pipe again. This time, he played a different tune. The children of Hamelin heard it. They laughed and danced. And they followed him, just like the rats had. Through the streets. Out of the town. Toward the hills. The piper led them into a cave. With a wave of his hand, the cave closed behind them. Only 2 children were left behind. A little boy with a hurt leg. And a little girl who was deaf. The parents cried in despair. They begged the piper for mercy. "We will give you 20 sacks of gold. Please bring our children back." The piper listened. At last, his heart softened. He rolled the stone away. And the children ran back to their families. The town of Hamelin learned a lesson that day. A promise must never be broken. For greed brings sorrow. But honesty brings peace.